Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a UK driver, especially if you're over 70, then this update is crucial. Today, we're talking about a DVLA alert that could affect your license renewal in 2025. Missing this could lead to fines or even driving illegally. So it is really important to know what is changing and what steps you need to take. First, some context. The DVLA has announced that drivers over 70 will now have stricter rules around license renewal. In the past, renewing was relatively straightforward, but from 2025, there's a renewed emphasis on ensuring fitness to drive. This means more regular checks and timely renewals are expected. The goal is to keep roads safer for everyone, while still making it manageable for senior drivers to continue driving legally. So, what exactly is changing? Starting this year, drivers over 70 must renew their driving license every 3 years, rather than the previous 5-year cycle. The DVLA will send reminders by post, but it's your responsibility to ensure you renew on time. Late renewals can result in fines, or worse, driving without a valid license. Additionally, medical checks may be required in certain cases to confirm you are fit to drive safely. Why does this matter? For drivers over 70, staying on top of these renewals is not just a legal requirement, it's also a safety measure. Regular checks help ensure that any age-related issues that could affect driving, like vision or health conditions, are addressed. By following the DVLA's rules, you're helping protect yourself, your passengers, and everyone on the road. Let's break down the steps you should take right now. First, check your current license expiry date. If you haven't received a renewal notice, it's still important to plan ahead. You can renew your license online via the DVLA website, by post, or in person if needed. Make sure all your personal information, like your address and medical details, are up to date. This prevents delays or complications with your renewal. Next, be aware of any medical requirements. If the DVLA requests a medical report, it's important to complete this promptly. In some cases, your doctor will need to confirm that you are fit to continue driving safely. This may feel like extra work, but it ensures your continued ability to drive legally without interruption. It's also worth noting that early renewal is possible. You don't have to wait until the last minute. Renewing a few weeks ahead of time can save stress, avoid potential fines, and give you time to resolve any medical or administrative issues that might come up. Keeping digital or paper copies of your application can also be helpful in case any follow-up is needed. Now, a quick tip for everyone. Set a reminder on your phone or calendar for your next renewal. These deadlines can sneak up on you, especially if you're busy. Being proactive is the easiest way to make sure you remain compliant and avoid unnecessary penalties. To sum it up, the DVLA update in 2025 means that drivers over 70 need to be extra vigilant about license renewals. Renew every 3 years, check your expiry date, update your medical and personal information, and respond promptly to any requests from the DVLA. Following these steps will ensure you stay legal, safe, and stress-free behind the wheel. If you found this information useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on UK driving rules, government alerts, and practical tips. Comment below if you have questions about the new renewal process or want to share your experience with license updates. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.